that page, I never got access to it. I got screenshots. Okay. See, so in those screenshots, one of our classmates have sadly. Teachers would be extra mean to me.
Teachers too?
Teachers too. Teachers will be extra mean to me. Why are you not talking to me? And I'm
Girl,
like,
the audacity, sister, get out.
I know. Okay, I know what you did. She said I would tell. I had my photo. Not videos, but it had photos. Okay.
Hello. This is on Wednesday we were Pink and do story time, and I have a guest because I was like, first of all, it's too much noise in here because we're in a class, so there's classy environment, but it's okay. You don't need to act that much like professional. Be natural, please. So we will yap about something that is actually like, I was like, this needs to be on net because it's interesting.
Okay.
You've been through shit. Like, tell
So
them
have
what.
you? Okay.
Tell them,
So
tell them.
this story is from when I was in 11th. It started after the 10th board result.
It's okay.
Okay, so there was a girl, okay? Let's call her Ananya, okay?
Ananya.
Ananya, okay.
We are not used to this.
Okay, we are not used to this, but let's
But we are used to spilling the tea and being messy.
yeah. So she and I became friends when the 11th class was starting, okay? And I liked her because she was very ambitious, or like she showed it to me, like she is very interested in computer science and everything. So I was like, okay, we're matching.
Yeah.
But
Just like us.
But then our friendship started, and one thing, disclaimer I want to give it, as much as out there I am right now, I was a very passive person back in my high school. So if anybody was like pushing me to do something, I would say yes, because I had a habit of saying no to my friends.
That's
okay?
so opposite of what she
Yeah.
is now, by the way.
Yeah, I had a habit of saying yes to everybody if I thought of them as friends.
Oh.
Okay, and I had no boundaries. I was a dumb ass bitch. It's true. Okay, so she was very controlling, and it's like in a friendship. Okay, she would act like my boyfriend. So
I know.
yeah. So, but right now I have boundaries, so she can't
Yeah.
control me. But
Yeah.
when our friendship started, we would chat on the phone, and then she started pushing me for video calls at night. And
Oh.
and it was in my JEE preparation days. Okay, JEE, and I was preparing for IC.
Continue.
And I was preparing for ISET, so I had to stay up and go to studying and stuff. So she would be like, let's call from 12 in the night to 3 in the morning, and we will talk.
And you
We will
said
discuss."
yes. And you said yes.
Yeah, in first week I was in peer pressure. I was like, I am having a friend for the first time, because before this I only had one friend, and no need for that.
I was like, are we in a relationship with lesbian or something?
No, she would. And for 1 week I complied, and then, as much passive as I am, I can't handle so much control. So I
Yeah.
started saying no, and then
I would too.
she started screaming at me.
For just saying no to the video calls. Oh my god.
Shout and scream, and we would have a fight in the class, active fight in the class, as like the teacher is teaching, and she was so mean in that. She was like,
They're so fucking loud. What
they
can
are
I
also
do?
telling a story.
Should I say to them? No. Okay, so she was controlling, and when she said no to that 12 to 3 lesbian phone call, she started. For real, she had a crush on you, of course.
Oh my god. Okay. So during and in November I started going to coaching, offline coaching. So she would demand photos of where I was for like proof that I was there. So if I'm saying I am from Lucknow, by the way, I'm in Hazratganj going to my coaching, she would say like, you are lying, send me the
Bitch, is she your boyfriend? I'm
was trying
questioning her sexuality. I'm sorry.
She was trying to be my boyfriend. Oh my god, they're gone. They're gone.
This is actually really messy. I don't appreciate that.
No, she would demand it, and I was like, I sent it to her for like 3-4 weeks. I did because she was so like isolating me within herself only.
Manipulating, kind of.
Yeah. And she was like, well, I am your best friend. We only met for 3 months, by the way, and I do not. Our frequency does not match.
Was she like that wannabe innocent who's like innocent
No,
but
she was a bitch on the face, and she was a bitch off the face as well. Okay.
that's messy. See, that's why I bought her here. That this is messy because it is getting messy. It is going to be even more
See,
messy.
the end point of this was approaching. In January, she said, "Come to my house for a sleepover."
Bro, this is lesbiana. No, Amara. Carry on.
She
This
said,
is lesbian.
"Come to my house for a sleepover." Okay, and I am a very villa person. I'm a night person. Okay, I have always had freedom in my house, independence. Okay, I can go anywhere I want, right? But in my gut, I was like, I don't feel safe with this bitch. I don't want to go with her. Okay, and she was like present. She was like, all my other friends, all my past friends did sleepovers with me, and I was like, I don't want to do this. The gut feeling isn't there,
The state, what way?
Safe like no. Not
Bro,
everything is like that.
She's straight, by the way. You don't have a chance. Sorry, y'all.
Unfortunately,
Sorry.
unfortunately.
If it was a choice,
Unfortunately.
yeah, I would be too.
You know why people who say that sexuality is a choice are choosing to
Bro,
be straight.
for real. Like, what made you say that?
Yeah.
It's not a choice.
So she like pushed and I said no. Okay, and it was a whole match. It was a whole match.
But-
she made her mother call my mother to say why is Gayatri doing this? Why is she saying no?
Bro,
Even he is hearing this shit for the first time.
it's for the first time. What do you mean you're calling your
Yeah, and my mom is a bad bitch, okay? My mom
Ooh.
gave it to her straight. My mom is like, she ain't gonna come. She ain't gonna come, she ain't gonna come. I have worked with
Actually.
her and she's not going to come. She like, had my back. Then she didn't, was like, oh, why are you not going? She was like, if you don't feel safe, don't. And one thing about mothers, okay? Don't know about yours. One thing about my mother, she knows when a bitch is off, okay?
Huh.
She knows. I told her about Pragya and she would see me on the video call. She was like, we will study on the video call. Okay, so we had our project book open and we would study and she was like, she was studying. I was like, I am a very isolated person while I study because I can do all kind of fuck around and find out.
So,
But
did she force you to even study with her?
yes, for a week. And then I was like, I can't do video calls. Let's cut off the video calls. I'm not studying there.
But how did she manipulated you? Like, what did she do
She
to
did
make?
all the same things. Okay? So see, I have never had friends because I changed schools and I changed environment very often. So I never had a permanent friend group. She was like, you don't know. This happens. This
Oh.
is the norm. This
And you
is
thought it
actually
is.
normal because I didn't talk to anybody in that fucking school. Okay. She was so dominating about it. Okay. She was like, being not like that. Not like that.
Okay, carry on.
Like
Next.
Okay. So I said no, and my mom said no. That put a hedge on our friendship. Like I was saying relationship, bitch, because it was a relationship at that.
Yeah, she was forcing it to be like a relationship. It's the formal video. It's in my bag. Carry on.
So that happened.
This is so messy. This is so messy. Everyone is screaming from here and there she's asking for a coach. She's saying hi. And a girl was literally judging me in front of me like, bitch, you are not doing anything in your life.
Yeah.
You look ugly. Your grades are ugly. At least I am doing something. This is this. And I look good. Bitch, what about that?
Moving on.
Anyways, tell me.
Our 12th started. Oh my god. 11th ended and 12th started. And I was cutting off, okay? I can be passive for a moment. I can't be passive for my whole life, okay?
Yeah.
I was getting into my heated era, okay? And I was straight up. I was like, I cannot send you this. And suddenly, I was seeing a shift in the environment in my school. Nobody was talking to me.
Oh.
Okay, everybody, like I have acquaintance right now. You see me talking to everybody in
Yeah,
the hallway,
she
right?
does. She know how to handle
Suddenly,
that.
nobody in the school. I would say hi, and nobody would say hi back. And I don't know what I and because I'm such an isolated and alone kind of person, I didn't mind it. But I was like,
Something is wrong.
is this what is happening?
What is this?
Nobody would talk to me. Teachers would be extra mean to me.
Teachers too?
Teachers too. Teachers would be extra mean to me, and I was not getting what was happening. And my school was separate in 10th, and in 11th and 12th. My school was separate in the sense boys studied separately and girls had different sections, right? The boys would come, right? Boys would come in the hallway, and they would have like the meanest, like you walk, and people say shit about you, right?
They do.
भाई मेरे साथ हो रहा था हॉल में they were like insert हिंदी गंदी गंदी गाली.
Gee, why?
What the fuck is happening? Then I was like, I need to get into this. So I called my best friend. I was like,
Best
"Tujhe-"
friend?
Disha.
Oh.
So I was like, give me some like pointers. Because she was in a different school. Let's call her Mahi. Okay, my best friend Mahi. Okay, na? She was in a different school.
She's in a
I was-
different school.
I am isolated in a different school. Okay.
Yeah.
I was like, what is happening? Like, what have you done? So उसको मैंने सब बताया कि this happening. I was talking to this one. She said, talk to somebody and get information what is happening. Okay. So there was this girl. I had like a mutual with her. Her name was, let's call her Suman. Okay.
Suman.
I asked Suman, do you know something like what is happening? And she said, there is a Instagram's confession. There is a Instagram group about 2-3 other girls and you and 2-3 other boys and you. I was like,
I'm sorry, I'm gagged.
तो मतलब मैंने क्या किया because I was in a different school till then. This was a new school to me. I only studied 11th and 12th, right? So I only studied 11th and 12th here. And they, in that page, I never got access to it. I got screenshots of it. See, so in those screenshots, they were like, she is so mean, she is arrogant, she is abusive, she does her own shit, she is actually very excellent, she is doing this, and you know what? I told some of my secrets, like I have ADHD, okay? And it's not a disease. Okay?
It's not a disease.
Okay, and it's written there she has ADHD, and in a very
Like,
disgusting way, it's like she is mentally ill or kind of thing.
wait a minute.
And I was like, I have never told this to anybody but Ananya, right?
But that means she posted your photos and videos you did with her, and video calls and everything was on the
It
chat.
had my photos. Not videos, but it had photos. Okay. And it was body shaming. It was really disgusting talks about women and men because there were some boys.
And women were in.
We were the outcasts.
So women were also talking shit
Yeah,
about
my
you.
whole section.
And they were okay with being like a woman shaming on women. They
Yeah,
were okay with that.
yeah.
This is what you get when you are like not a part of the mean girl who like losers and they don't study well. Because she
Yeah.
is good in studies.
And I was so like taken aback by this. It was horrible. They would bully and they would like sectionize other kids as well. And it was the worst time of like my life. And it was like 2 months away from the boards and JEE.
Oh
It's
shit.
like, what the fuck? Okay. But then 10 days before board, I was like, it's alright. Those 2 months I was like, I don't care. I don't give a fuck. Whatever. These people are below me. I didn't let it get to me because I had my goals, right? 10 days before, she suddenly sits to me, and this is, mind you, we have not talked for 3 months. We have not talked for 3 months. She sits beside me, and she is like, why are you not talking to me? And I'm
Girl,
like,
the audacity, sister, get out.
And she thinks I don't know, but I know. Okay, so I was like, I simply said, I know. Okay, I know what you did, and I don't care.
Yeah,
Okay, do
carry
whatever
on.
you-
I'm so
She
invested
said
for
she
this.
took out her phone, opened her notes app, and had a self-off letter in there, and she said, I would tell.
Just because you called her out.
The manipulation was crazy. She was like, if you don't do this,
What was your age, by the way?
I was 17.
These 17-year-old kids are underlapping,
Yeah,
manipulating.
and the thing was, one of our classmates have sadly self-excited. And I was very, affected by that. I was actually, I had told my friends I was talking to some of the classmates and I said, this has affected me. She heard that and she had the audacity of, after 10 days before board, tell me, if you are not good friends with me again, I would off myself. And she brought her name, the girl who self-excited, and she was like, do you want me to end up like that?
Hello.
मैं जूते में।
Hello. Excuse me. Why do they do this, by the way?
This is like,
But one thing that's like stuck in my head is that teachers, the
yeah,
ones who teach
because
these
she
people.
was her mother was a teacher, okay, and she was in a really good post, not in that school, but in the school nearby, and she was a really good friend with the teachers in our school. Her mother was hating me too.
But can you understand a 17-year-old? Okay, you don't have much experience, you are not skilled, you don't know shit. That's why you're manipulating. But teachers were like teaching kids.
Yeah, no, they were all not gonna say, I do
Huh.
not use words like this, but they were all like really uneducated in this sense. In this sense of like, you are actively ignoring and bullying a kid. Okay, I was a kid, okay, and they were actively bullying and like doing shit to me.
And a woman
ignoring
to
me.
woman, shame on you, bro.
Shame on you. And the men, what can we say?
Yeah, man, okay, you're trash.
What can
You are trash. But woman to woman, sister.
Whole class of mine was in that group chat.
Yeah.
I got screenshot and it was so bad.
Oh.
Holy shit. And before I came to like this college, she actually hit me up. She was like, how are you doing? Blocked.
Bitch, you don't
Blocked.
get.
I blocked her
Ah,
on Insta, LinkedIn,
As you
anything. I
should.
blocked her.
As you should.
One time you do me dirty, it's alright. It's my fault. Okay,
Yeah.
I would say my life is my fault.
No, it's not.
It is. Everything in your life happens for a reason, and
Yeah, but
you
it's
can
not
do
your fault.
active shit to avoid it.
Yeah.
It happens. Okay. If you blame it on others, you will never get a solution. That is my thinking. Okay. I should have known. I think like that. Because I should have known, and I should have avoided these people.
Hmm.
Now in this college, I always get people like this. Maybe because I have like a very annoying
Inviting.
energy, right? I have a very leadering kind of energy.
Inviting,
Yeah.
like she can handle shit.
So they all depend on me, but I'm like, no.
Not
I'm not
anymore,
your mother.
sister.
I'm not your mother, nor your father. I am going to do what I'm going to do here.
Yeah, no lesbiana calls. I'm sorry. She's an ally, but still,
I'm an ally.
I'm an ally.
I'm an ally.
Ally.
Hard
And-
stop.
Yeah. Oh,
Was he in love? Oh, you okay? I'm an ally.
I don't know about that, but yeah. But
He has not watched Heartstopper. What kind of a gay person are you? Shame on you.
I never say that.
Shame on you. Oh my god.
So this was on Wednesday. We were playing Hindu story time. I think it was really messy, but I think that's
The noise in this class.
but that's the thing. Like you got to experience the class.
Yeah.
You don't get to do that when you're in the home and you're like.
Yeah, that is us gaslighting you in thinking that this video is really.
Is like you're with
The
us.
quality is eating in this video. We are gaslighting you apparently. Okay, be gaslit, be gaslit.
Oh yeah, but you're like really strong and it
I
really
know.
taught you a lot.
I know.
Really taught you a lot.
If you are not getting effed and run over by a relationship, female friendship will do that to you.
Yeah.
So it's like early career opportunities.
Oh.
Either get into a really toxic female friendship, or either get into a relationship. It's the same.
Yeah, she did.
It's the same. To this day, one time he asked for my mobile to record. I was not giving him because I had trauma. Because she was always like taking my phone, and I had that trauma.
So that was the thing why you were like so
Yes.
desperate. She was like,
Because
no,
he
I
was
would
pushing.
not.
For the first time, he was like, it's not a big deal. I was like getting deja vu. I was like, no, what the fuck? She also said the same thing.
I said it because my phone died and I had to
Yeah.
record and post because I used to do the 1-to-1K series. If you're like Mark Clover, you know it. I don't know, there's. Anyway, so yeah, I used to do this. So I was like, I need to record. Can you give me your phone? And she was like, no. Even if it's 2 minutes, I cannot touch I cannot let you touch.
The pushing was coming back to me. I
Yeah.
was like, holy shit, why is he asking? Why
And
is
I
he
was like,
asking
why
the
you mean?
phone? The phone. She would like get it. She had actively like screamed about give me your password.
Oh. No.
And I had never given her the password.
Never.
I'm dumb, but I'm not that dumb in that time.
So this was the end of the video.
Bye.
Should I get another guest next time? If
Who
this
is it gonna be?
I will get someone. I have really like lots of friends, female friends, not you boys. Bye.